G'day, this is Bron. Just thought I'd make a quick video on how I made some of my defensives WeakAuras. And today we're going to talk about how to make a dynamic group that shows the cooldowns of your defensives, which you can see on the left-hand side of my Guardian Druid here. So I'm going to make this on my Pally because I haven't made any dynamic groups on the Pally before. I've ended up doing it in other ways. So just type /WA, new aura, dynamic group, and I'm going to call it Pally Defs. Now, again, new aura, progress bar, and this is going to be a Shield of Vengeance. Change the colour here. Colour, I try and match the colour of the icon to help me recognise it quickly. Okay. Trigger, it's already set to Aura Player Buff. You just need to tick name and type in the name. It has to be exactly right. Shield of Vengeance, okay. Now my next one, Divine Protection. It's easier to just right click, duplicate, change your name, Divine Protection, change the name of the buff, protection, and then back to display tab, change your colour if you want to change the colour to you. Now we'll go again, right click, duplicate, Divine Shield. I'm going to make that one more orange. Okay, trigger, change your name. Okay, now we're done. You can put in as many as you want, but I'm just going to do those three. If you click back up here to the group, I can move the whole thing around because they're together now. I'm just going to stick them up here. Now let's give it a test. So if you want to adjust a few things in here, you can. Just make sure you've got your group highlighted. Group tab, you can choose an icon, so it's not this default thing here. You just click on that folder, and I'm going to type Paladin. And I'm just going to pick that. Okay. Now that's there. It'll help you see it easier if you've got a shitload like I do. And then just underneath here, the grow, at the moment it grows downwards. I like it the other way. Let's go up. So as I use each defensive, it'll stack on top. In the display tab, by default, the bar goes right to left, so it goes downwards this way. You can change it left to right if you want, from top to bottom. You can change this colour of the background if you want. I like to leave it like that though. You can tick here to show the icon of the spell, of the buff. You can have it on the right side or on the left side. If you scroll further down into position settings, so here you can choose the width and the height of the whole group in its entirety. It's the height. Or only just little bits at a time, you can do that. And that's pretty much it. Oh, actually in the load, you'd want to put it in here too. So if you don't tell it specifically which class or which character to load on, then every time you log into your characters, it's gonna have shitloads of WeakAuras running for no reason. Plus it makes it harder to find what you're looking for if there's a heap of shit in the list that you don't need. So I always go on the load tab. Just here, class and specialization. If I only want this to load for a ret pally, I would choose that. But if you've got spells and buffs that work in more than one spec, so if the spell is the exact same name across multiple specs of the same class, then you just click on this again and then you can choose all three if you want. Or if it's like a trinket or something that's, you know, multiple characters have, you can do that. And that can just stay that way. So now this will only load on my pally, and as I use my shields, they grow upwards like that. And that's it.